Did you know that your wealth will be determined by the small actions you take each day? Apparently, there are some daily habits that can help you predict your chances of success and increase the possibility of becoming rich in the nearer future. These rich habits are considered good habits, as they can help you develop professionally and are strong predictors of wealth and success. In today's video, we will be showing you habits that make you rich. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. They create and stick to a daily to-do list. Rich people have a habit of creating and sticking to a to-do list every day of their lives. This might not seem like a big deal to you. However, you must understand that creating a to-do list and sticking to it enables you to be hardworking and diligent. The moment you have mastered the habit of creating a list of things you want to do for the day and making sure you achieve everything on that list, it shows you can handle responsibilities without supervision. Moreover, creating a to-do list helps you to be organized. You can't be confused about what to do next because you have an orderly list of what you are supposed to do. Rich people are never disorganized, and this is because they always have a to-do list. No matter how irrelevant you think the items on your to-do list are, make sure you execute them before the end of the day. Number 2. They don't watch TV. If you spend several hours a day watching TV, don't expect yourself to be rich. One of the main habits of rich people is that they barely have time for leisure, which often includes watching TV. Rich people are always busy doing something very profitable and valuable with their lives. Some rich people barely go on vacations, and this is because they believe in using their time wisely. This post is not implying that you should never watch TV. You can watch your TV, but make sure it's done at the right time. When you have important things to do, meetings to attend, emails to send, and job openings to apply for, you can't leave all these things and watch TV. It doesn't make sense. Number 3. They network. Whenever rich people attend seminars, conferences, or even birthday parties, they never fail to connect with people. They always network. You must understand that your success in life is often determined by the people you know, and some people can facilitate your success. Always try to network with other people whenever you are in a large gathering. Even if you are shy or introverted, develop some social skills and relationships with other people. You never know when you will meet someone who will help you reach the next milestone in your business or career. Number 4. They never stop learning. The desire to always learn is one of the everyday habits of rich people. No matter how intelligent a rich person is, they are always open to learning and even unlearning. Some time ago, Bill Gates disclosed that he has a list of books he reads each year. Even though he's regarded as one of the world's most intelligent businessmen, he has not stopped learning. Just a simple knowledge or idea can enlighten you on how to make $10 million. And this can only happen when you keep learning. Learn to read books, attend seminars, take online courses, and ask questions when you meet people who know you better. Number 5. They invest. Making investments will always remain one of the leading money habits of the wealthy. Rich people always invest, not caring about the risks involved. Think about this scenario. If you have $1,000 and store it in a piggy bank for 10 years. By the time you return to that money, your $1,000 would remain $1,000. But in a situation where you invest that $1,000 in a profitable venture, it would increase significantly by the time you access the money in 10 years. That's how an investment works. You don't necessarily have to be a business person to invest. You can partner with a business owner or simply invest your money in a very good venture that would give you an excellent ROI. Investment is one of the primary methods for getting rich. Number 6. They block their time. Most rich people often create scheduled blocks of time to do one thing that would improve their lives. Blocking out time for yourself is very important, as it helps you focus on doing something that would improve your quality of life. It could be reading. It could be some mental exercise. This is one of the things rich people do to remain at the top of their game. Number 7. They maintain a healthy diet. If you aren't healthy, there's no way you can work hard to create wealth. Only healthy bodies and minds can work and make money. This is why maintaining a healthy diet is one of the many habits of rich people. Wealthy people often have a food timetable that guides the kind of foods they should eat at the right time. which helps them have healthy eating habits. Surprisingly, maintaining a healthy diet doesn't cost you too much money. In fact, you tend to save more money when you eat healthy diets. Most of the healthy foods right now are easy and cheap to prepare, and the best part is that you're spending less money and saving your own life. Number 8. They don't sleep too much. Rich people are known to spend a small portion of their day sleeping. Most rich people don't sleep for more than 6 hours. While this might not be medically advised, it helps rich people to create time for other vital activities. When you sleep too much, you won't have enough time to focus on what matters most in your life. This does not mean that you should always deprive yourself of good sleep. It's good to have enough sleep sometimes. Nevertheless, sleeping too much shouldn't be a habit. Lazy people are the only ones who sleep excessively. But come to think of it, by the time you retire, you can have all the time in the world to sleep. Some of America's billionaire businessmen who are now retired no longer need to be having sleepless nights because of work. They have achieved more than enough, and it's now time to rest. Number 9. They set goals and pursue them until success. Goal setting is one of the main habits of wealthy people. Wealthy people know how to set goals and chase after their goals until they attain success. If you want to be rich and successful, you must have this determination. Goal setting helps you to have a clear vision of where you are headed. Goal setting is one of the things that inspire and motivate you to work hard, regardless of the setbacks you might face. To remain at the top of your game, learn to set feasible goals and do everything within your power to ensure your goals are accomplished. Number 10. They build relationships with wealthy people. You already know the famous saying, "Birds of the same feathers flock together." This adage implies that if you always hang out with a particular clique of people, you would become like them eventually. You shouldn't expect yourself to be rich while you keep hanging out with poverty-stricken people. Learn to mingle with people who have succeeded financially to gain insight into achieving wealth. This is one of the most common money habits of the wealthy. A rich man always wants to be seen with another rich man. This is why networking is essential. You can only create relationships with wealthy people when you know how to network. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.